In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access the activity log in Monday.com in just 5 minutes. If you're a Monday.com user and want to effectively track changes and updates across your projects or tasks, understanding how to navigate the activity log is crucial. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to open your browser and navigate to Monday.com. This is where all the magic happens, so let's get started. Once the site loads, you'll see the login option at the top right corner. Go ahead and click on that. Now, depending on how you usually log in, you'll need to choose your preferred method. For this tutorial, we'll use the Google login method as it's a popular and quick way to access your account. Simply click on the Google option and select the Google account associated with your Monday.com credentials. After logging in, you should find yourself on your dashboard. From here, it's important to navigate to the specific board where you want to view the activity log. Your board is essentially the hub of information and activity for your projects. To do this, you'll click on Boards from the menu and find the board you're looking for. Once you're on your board, you'll notice several features and options available to you, but the one we're focusing on today is nestled up at the top right. Look for an option near the Invite button. This is the activity log button. Click on it, and what opens up is a detailed log of all actions and updates related to your board. This log is extremely useful for project managers and team members who need to keep track of changes, edits, or any activity that has occurred. Once you've accessed the activity log, you'll see it's organized with different tabs for various views, such as Activity, Last Viewed, and Updated. Each tab serves a different purpose. Activity shows you all changes, Last Viewed helps you track what you've last seen, and Updated presents the most recent alterations or additions. This setup is quite helpful for breaking down information and viewing it from the perspective that best suits your needs. Additionally, if you're looking to refine the information presented or hone in on certain types of activities, there's a handy filter feature available. You can apply this filter to display only the specific data you're interested in, whether it's actions by certain team members or changes to specific items. And there you have it. Accessing and utilizing the activity log in Monday.com can greatly enhance your project management efforts by keeping you informed and organized. Whether you're tracking progress or simply checking up on recent activity, this feature is an invaluable tool for any Monday.com user. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful.